It's good.
It's good.
Oh, I taste the cheese.
How's the rate? I thought you loved the taste of the cheese.
The taste of it is 8 out of 10, but with the cheese, it's a 6 out of 10. All right, we left the, got a little bit more footage at the amusement park, and we stopped at a pineapple co-op. Apparently this is where Dole grows a lot of their pineapples. So we're here to try some. What did we get, baby?
Pineapple, ice cream.
What's inside?
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy.
Oh,
Ice cream cake.
looks good.
Looks good. It's so hard.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
If you can get any.
See. Ooh. It's so hard. So ice. So good. You have to taste it.
It is very fresh pineapple taste.
Yeah.
It's good.
Right?
All right, we're gonna get into this.
The
We'll see you
girls
later. What's up, guys? So we made it to a food park here after our hotel. We stopped and we got some juice, 1 liter of juice.
This.
What's in it?
Berries.
Berries?
Yeah.
I think it was
mix of berries.
Blueberries and
Blueberry, raspberry,
strawberry.
strawberry, I think. Yeah.
Is it good?
Mix of berries. It's worth 80 pesos.
Yeah.
And it's worth it like 1 liter.
It's good.
Yeah. And
then I saw a smash burger place on a menu. It caught my eye, so I got a triple smash burger with fries, and then she wanted chicken tenders, so we got ordered chicken tenders and fries.
supposedly it was spicy.
Supposedly it's spicy, but then she said the hot sauce was sriracha, so I was like,
No.
that's like a 4 out of 10 maybe, so 3 out of 10. So anyway, we're waiting for that now. We got a band coming, so we're gonna chill out. Maybe we'll get some more food, but we'll try the food out in a little bit.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Our meal for tonight. We're 488.
488.
Yeah, and that's a big burger. And then, yeah, look at this chicken.
Oh, ooh, feel how heavy that is.
Yeah. It's very heavy, right?
I'll take a bite.
Oh. Ooh. Kumusta? Is it good?
That's about as close as a smash burger I could imagine in the Philippines.
So big.
Do you want to take a bite?
It looks big, like half of your face.
Do you want to try it?
It's spicy. Oh, it's so heavy.
Bugat?
Bugat.
I think it's even real American cheese too.
So good. And it's worth 200.
270 with the fries.
Yeah. It's worth it. Have fun with your burger.
Thank you, Mom.
You also have like chicken.
Try your medium chicken.
There's some sauce in it.
This is supposed to be the frickin' hot sauce, but we'll see. Ooh, ketchup. And extra hot sauce. This is their... No, this is the frickin' hot sauce?
Yeah. I hope not a freaking hot sauce though. I think this is just like a regular, you know, hot sauce. Ah!
It was cooked fresh. Yeah, it's gonna be real hot.
This is a spicy one.
Spicy?
The cover of it. What do you call that? The cover of the
breading?
Breading. It's spicy. Woo. You might want to try. I know it's not too spicy for you.
is good though. It's very moist, very hot,
Very fresh.
very fresh. Spice-wise, it's not that spicy. I mean, it's medium. Just like
For you.
Yeah.
For me, I was like talking already.
I almost got the super hot sauce, but luckily we didn't because she would have been upset and not eating it. So
And I'll order another thing.
yeah,
It will always be yours then.
it's a good way to make sure I get all the food. But we're gonna enjoy our food while it's hot. Chicken tenders, fries, triple smash burger.
Oh, and the iced tea. Oh, berries. Look at that. Then fries, the sauce, the chicken. This is the first expensive meal. Lami.
Lami kaayo.
Okay, well, we'll just have fun with our food then. See you guys.
What do we have here, Mom?
We have here like ice cream with blueberry in it. So it's another drink. Huh? Yeah. And graham oil sa Bisaya. He said like ram, but ours will be like graham.
Try it.
So cold. Delicious babe. And I think they put some cheese on it too. You might want to try it, really. His face.
They did put cheese. I see the shredded cheese on top.
What did you? That's your face. It's okay though.
Yeah. It's kind of like a blueberry cheesecake milkshake. Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
Oh, I taste the cheese.
How's the rate? I thought you loved the taste of the
The
cheese.
taste of it is 8 out of 10, but with the cheese, it's a 6 out of 10. I would order it again.
Because the cheese is Eden.
The cheese is Eden. It's like if you put Velveeta cheese on a milkshake. It's fucking terrible. But I would order it again, just no cheese. Didn't eat cheese. But it's good. It's a good way to end the night. It's a good first day in CDO. Thanks, guys. We'll see you tomorrow at the wedding. Bye. What's up, guys? So it's day 2, getting ready for the wedding. This may be the first time I've been on the channel without a black shirt on and pants. So we'll see if it looks different. The girls are now doing their makeup. The wedding is in about an hour and a half. Luckily, we're only about a 10-minute car ride from the place, so we'll finish getting ready. Mostly, I just have to put a shirt on. I'm waiting for them to get ready. And then we'll see how it is. I've never been to a Filipino wedding. It's supposed to be a big one. It's at a nice church. And then we'll have a big reception after, which I think is close by, but I'm not sure exactly. I didn't look at it on Google, but anyway, we'll see how it goes, guys. We'll talk to you later. Let's get it.
Di ara lang ko oh. Sige di pangalan ni girl. Primavera. Iya kayo eh.
What's up, guys? We're done with the wedding. We tried to go to the reception, but we were stuck in traffic for almost 2 hours trying to get there. And it was raining, so it's very hard. So we ended up having to go back, and then we went to SM supermarket.
Just to go shopping.
Just to go shopping.
Just to go shopping.
What did we get?
Beers and some snacks.
Beers and snacks?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna have fun.
Yeah.
Like together with them, even though we're not here at the reception.
Party separately, but
Yeah.
together. So we got some Oishi prawn crackers, some ding dongs, the orange kind that she likes. We got barbecue chippies. We got green peas, which are dried. I got cheesy jalapeno. I like these in my last snack video. So now we're gonna do the spicy. And then we got the ding dong snack mix with chips and curls. It's like their version of Chex Mix. This is the sweet and spicy kind. And then in the freezer, we've got a regular San Mig Light, some Tiger beer, a soju, some high percent, 9% Devil Lemon, a thing of real local milk from Bukidnon, a sugar-free Mountain Dew, and a apple San Miguel. So we've got a little bit of everything, plus snacks that I brought. Just, you know, I'm a snack guy. So we got bingos, some chalk nuts that someone recommended I get, the standard ding dong snacks and curls, some happy. Yeah, we're gonna be fatties by the end of this, so it's gonna be a good night. We're gonna relax. But
Fatty. Fatty.
Dumbo.
Fatty daddy.
Well, I'm already chubby, so we're gonna be little tumbucks and we're gonna enjoy our food. So hope the wedding was interesting. It was very close to an American wedding, but with a lot of people. I think I counted 54 people in the wedding party, which is a lot. I think the most I've ever seen is maybe 10 or 12, so it was a huge amount. What else? A lot of prayers. A lot of singing. There was someone basically doing karaoke for half the wedding, just at the side, being like, what was some of the songs they sang? They were all like classic 80 ballads.
Yeah, but you also like...
Loving you is easy when you're beautiful. Like that.
It has like the lyrics of Greatest. I forgot the title.
The greatest love of all is easy to... Yeah, that one? Yeah.
Learning to love your way. It is the greatest love of all.
Filipinos love ballads. So if you ever come to the Philippines, get your favorite 80s, 70s, 80s ballads. They love Carpenters. Long ago.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And they sang the Lion King.
Oh yeah, the Lion King.
Also,
Let me feel the love tonight.
Before like the interact or something.
Yeah.
The first thing that they do.
That was like the
singing,
opening.
opening song.
Yeah. So it was just some guys singing, and they were switching off. It was like a tag team karaoke group, just singing karaoke.
Yeah.
And then we took pictures for an hour, and so there's just an hour of guys singing karaoke at the side.
I know the wedding was like 2 hours.
Yeah.
And then another hour for the picture taking about families and friends.
And then an hour and a half to the reception.
Yeah. We were just like trying to book like a Grab 4-seaters or 6-seaters since there's 6 of us.
Mm-hmm.
But then, you know, it's hard because it's raining so much and there's like a storm right now. So we were trying to, you know, like do 2 4-seaters, but we were trying it for like about 40 minutes or 50 minutes.
And then it took 20 minutes to get to us.
Yeah, and then after that, we have to like go to the traffic since it's already like 6 p.m. And then what we did, we just reroute and go back to the hotel.
Yeah. So that was what we did. And then we went to SM across the street, and yeah. So we're gonna relax now. It's like 7:15. So we're gonna eat some snacks, drink some beer. I'm gonna enjoy my milk, and we're gonna have a good night. Bye, guys.